Dear tomorrow, you've been shining so brightly. I'll be holding on tightly to the words that you said. Cause you took that one moment, so much more than alone then. We were out on our own then, till you took me in. Then you sat down next to me with your heart on your sleeve. If I never would have met you, then I never would believe someone like you would be writing to someone like me. Signed, yours truly. Dear my someday, I'll keep writing you nightly and keep holding on tightly to the words that you said. So proud of who you became now. You're in a world without chains now. You let your heart lead your brain, how you always wanted to be. But to think, looking back on the people that we used to be, why does being so free mean so far away from me? Sign, yours truly. I kept waiting around, I kept chasing the mail, always lost, never found. I kept writing and dreaming till my words ran out, and I stared at this blank page till finally I wrote, dear my never. This is my half-hearted goodbye. The other half wants to still try remembering words that you said, but I guess we let go now. We'll be out on our own. How you always wanted this all out, but now I guess it's too late. But my one wish for you is that you find yourself. Don't settle for less or for anyone else. I pray that you dream like the dreamer I know you can be. Signed, yours truly.
open the